Hello, Zizra. Now, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. You can correct me somewhere, maybe a discussion board. Welcome, belatedly, to GRA 220. This will be some video feedback for you on your print ad. And if you've done everything correctly, I should be able to move your ingredients around. But if you have any issues from now until the end of the term, we've got, 4 weeks to go? Don't hesitate to reach out. Zizra, I remember your ingredients from previous weeks, and it's important to understand the concept of non-destructive digital image editing. You've submitted a PDF, and it's great. I see how you've composited everything. I like your use of the line art. It would be good for you to use the corporate style guide. You can open that up in Illustrator. You can open up any PDF in Illustrator, ideally, and you can extract the Amethyst Bay logo from that. Just copy and then paste it into your Illustrator file. Now, make sure that this is in Illustrator. I don't have any way of knowing that, and that you have things on different layers. If you have any issues about that, don't hesitate to call me. I'm going to end it here. Let me just make some comments, though. I would avoid using boxes if you can. I'm glad that you bled everything off. It should be vertically oriented, Zizra. It is a magazine, so if you can recrop this image into the 8.5 by 11 or 8 by 10 format, that would be good. And I like the ice cream. Did you draw this, presumably? But it might be more effective if you used it only once and didn't contain it in a box with borders. Perhaps you could use it large, semi-transparent. And if you had things on layers in an Illustrator file, I would be better able to, move them around and entertain myself. One last comment is about typography. Try to use Arial if you can. It is the corporate typeface. And avoid centering things. It's good for invitations or poetry sometimes, but it's kind of a formal way of doing type, and so consider a flush left, rag right arrangement. And again, take a look at the corporate style guide to see their suggestions about type size and typeface choices. I'm going to leave it here. You've got the ingredients. I like the image where the focus is on the ice cream. But remember, this is a resort, so you'll need to provide some context for the ice cream.